What if the reason you feel stuck, overwhelmed, or not good enough is not because you're weak, but because you've been building your life on unstable ground? In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to build real inner strength that doesn't break under pressure. In this video, I'm sharing key lessons and my personal takeaways from Strong Ground by Brené Brown. This isn't just a summary, it's a practical guide to help you build emotional resilience, confidence, and a stronger foundation in life. The main idea of this book is powerful. You need strong inner ground to handle life's challenges. Most people try to look strong on the outside, but inside they feel anxious, insecure, or disconnected. True strength comes from self-awareness, emotional honesty, courage to face discomfort. That's what creates strong ground. One of the biggest lessons: vulnerability is not weakness, it's strength. Avoiding emotions doesn't make you strong, facing them does. Be honest about how you feel. Stop pretending everything is okay. Allow yourself to feel uncomfortable emotions. This builds real courage and emotional depth. Perfectionism is not about excellence, it's about fear. Fear of judgment, fear of failure, fear of not being enough. Accept that done is better than perfect. Stop overthinking every decision. Focus on progress, not perfection. This frees you from constant pressure. Strong ground comes from trusting yourself, not others' opinions, not external validation. Keep small promises to yourself. Make decisions without over-seeking approval. Learn from mistakes instead of judging yourself. Self-trust creates confidence that can't be shaken. You can't build a strong life without boundaries. Saying yes to everything means saying no to yourself. Identify what drains your energy. Say no without guilt. Protect your time and mental space. Boundaries are a form of self-respect. Your past doesn't define you, but how you respond to it does. Stop hiding your story. Own it. Accept your past without shame. Learn from your experiences. Use your story as strength, not weakness. This creates emotional freedom. Strong Ground teaches us this: you don't become strong by avoiding hard things. You become strong by facing them honestly. When you build your inner foundation, nothing outside can easily shake you. If this message resonated with you, comment Strong Ground below as a reminder to build your inner strength daily. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.